This is our side hustle. We create beautiful house fronts and make 1K a day.
I'm not gonna lie, this makes good money, but there is a better side hustle that you can do from the comfort of your own home without working like a slave. So make sure you save this for future reference because I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial. Step 1, pick a niche. This can be health, wealth, relationships, sports, pets, or etc. For this example, we're going to go with health. Step number 2, type in best your niche affiliate programs. For this example, we're going to type in best wealth affiliate programs. Once you find an affiliate program that pays well, like this one right here called BuilderAll.com, you're going to sign up to get your affiliate link to start promoting. Step number 3 is that you're going to create your own selling system that runs for you on autopilot 24/7. And you can use this tool called BuilderAll.com to help you automate your sales using sales funnels and email marketing autoresponders. Step number 4, drive traffic to your selling system through social media. And once you start promoting your affiliate links through your selling system and somebody buys, you earn a commission. And this process is called affiliate marketing. And if you would like to get started with this method today, make sure you comment ready and I will send you a free video explaining how you can get started with this.